Hi, I'm Amy. Let's take a look at a limits problem where we can use factoring to help evaluate it. My example here has x approaching -4, and the function we're looking at, x cubed plus 64 over x plus 4. So we try direct substitution first. That's always what you want to try, whether it's in your head or on your paper. So we're going to plug in -4 for our x value. That gives us -4 cubed, which is -64. And then plus 64. And in the denominator, we have -4 plus 4. As you see, we got 0 on top and 0 on the bottom. So if we simply substitute x equals -4 into that function, we get 0 over 0. That's an indeterminate. What indeterminate means is it tells us nothing. We have determined nothing. We don't have a limit. We don't know if the limit exists or not. We need to keep going. We need to try another technique. So we're going to work on factoring. So I'm going to rewrite limit because we're going to keep working through this algebraically. I don't get rid of this notation, this limit notation, until I've actually evaluated or plugged in a value for x. So that limit as x approaches -4, and I'm going to factor the numerator. This is a sum of cubes, so pretty straightforward formula for factoring that, and on the bottom was the x plus 4. So now you see we've got x plus 4 on the top and x plus 4 on the bottom, which of course equals a 1. So we can sort of reduce that away, and we're left with the limit as x approaches -4 of x squared minus 4x plus 16. Now we can try our direct substitution again. I'm going to plug in my -4. So -4 squared gives me positive 16 minus 4 times -4. So that's plus 16. And then there's another plus 16. 16 plus 16 plus 16 gives me 48. So the limit of this function is 48. We know that x equals -4 makes the denominator 0. So that function is undefined at x equals -4. Since that denominator also cancels away, but we actually got a limit, we know that at -4 we have a hole. And that hole is actually located at -4, 48. Let's take a look at the graph. I'm just going to do a sketch of the graph to kind of make more sense of this. So, turns out that this graph is a parabola, and not coincidentally, it looks just like x squared minus 4x plus 16. It looks just like that parabola, except it has a hole in it. And that hole is going to be at, of course this is really not to scale, parabola, -4, 48 is where that hole is located. And again, thinking about what does a limit mean, what it means is as x approaches -4 from both the left and the right hand sides, where is the graph heading? Well, from both directions, that graph is heading towards 48. So the limit is 48.